Hey everyone, welcome. Thanks for joining me in the Sidekicks for another video. So Zena's here. We're outside. It's early in the morning. So hopefully we can get this in before my neighbors get noisy because it's Sunday morning and everyone usually tries to get a lot of work done outside, right? Wyatt's here too. Wyatt, can you say hi? Can you say hi? So today's video is a Wantable unboxing. My Wantable came, which I'm really happy because I am out of town this week and I'm glad it came in before I left town, right? Otherwise, I would have to ask for an extension and it'd be a whole thing. So, Wantable styling service. You usually get 7 items, keep 5, get a discount. And my last couple Wantables have been really great. I got a new stylus and I think this is the inside of my box. Was it just the last one or was it 2? So now I'm trying to think. Maybe it was just the last one. It was a good one. But my last couple have been really good. Actually, my last few Wantables have been really good. So, my stylist is Emma. And I do have 7 items in here. If you keep 5 items, you get 20% off. Your styling fee is $20. Comes off of anything that you keep. You do get an envelope to return anything you don't love and don't want to keep. And here is my bundle. I see color and pattern and denim, right? So let's dig in. Alright, so first up is by Supply and Demand. It is a sheer, looks like, well, rolled tab sleeve. So still it does look 3/4 sleeve. Rolled tab blouse. The color is pretty, purples. It almost looks fall to me, but it's pretty. Has the tie front. Next up is by Vince. In this seafoam green color. I have this in pink. I got in another box. Can you hear the rooster? There's a rooster somewhere. I have no idea where. But I hear him all the time. It's funny. So that's pretty. Seafoam green color. Then something by Lemon Tart. This looks like fall too to me. So this is like 3/4 sleeve. Stretchy. I don't know, like a t-shirt, sweatshirt type top. Floral. Oh, he's noisy to this morning, huh, Zena? Alright, next one is by Design History. It's a little black and white top with a tie front. Kind of has a higher neck. I'm not sure about that one. Next is by Design History. This is a dress. It has the ties in the front. You can see these ties here. Elastic waist and the ruffly bottom. It's a nice jersey material, lightweight. I don't know. We'll have to see what this flouncy looks like. Sometimes I like that, sometimes I don't. I'm not sure about the 2-tiered look here. The material is nice. Alright, next up by Kensie. Looks like crops. It says, wear me up, wear me down, wear me out. So you can see this little, so it's showing them cuffed, shows them down. Cute. This is what they're talking about. They do have some really nice stretch to them. No distressing, which is nice. Oh, just a tiny bit right here. I missed this. Those are cute. Oh, did I see more? A little bit, just a tiny bit right there. Alright. And a coral pair of shorts by Meritage is the last item in here. You do have side pockets and the little buttons in the back. I like the color. Those are pretty. Let's see at the side pockets, how they fall and how they look. All right, let's see what my stylist says. So my note said, I don't want any more full-length pants. I don't wear them anymore till fall. Crop skirts, dresses, sleeveless tops, bright colors. I like pink, purple, aqua blues, coral, fun patterns. Okay. So that was my note to her for what I asked for. She said, hi Laura, I'm happy to style you again. I focused on including some fun colors and lightweight pieces that will help you vamp up your summer wardrobe. Thank you for your note. I've included the mid-rise skinny cuff ankle, which is a pair of cropped jeans that can be rolled for a casual summer look. The Chino short is super soft and a fun pop of color. Pair them with the tie front top for an easy breezy summer look. I also included the cinched dress, which is similar to the fit of your previous dress. Dress it up with some heeled sandals and a denim jacket for a lightweight layer. Let me know what you think. So the previous dress was a black and white knit dress, but it didn't have any, like didn't have the elastic waist or anything. It was just an easy wear dress. All right, so let's get to the try on and then we'll talk pricing at the end. I'll be right back. Okay, so for the first outfit, I have on the purple top with the tie front, which is cute. It feels a little bit more fallish, but it's cute. I put it on with a gray tank underneath it because it is pretty sheer. It has the roll sleeves, and they pretty much come at, if they were unrolled, they'd probably come right to your wrist. And then I put it on with the Kensie jeans, so you guys can see what those look like. However, these are huge on me, so I feel like they're almost missized, as these would be completely unwearable for me. But the idea of them is very cute. They have a nice crop. I put on a sandal with them, and their stretch is fantastic. And overall, I like I like them, but these would not work for me. So yeah, these would have to be a no. I almost feel like I have to size down 2 sizes. All right, next. Okay, so now I have on this 3/4 sleeve t-shirt type top. It's a cute jersey. I like the floral print. It's comfy. Again, it feels a little bit more fallish, like transitioning to fall, but it's a nice layer. I also kept the jeans on so you can see what they look like with the cuff down, if they were to fit me. So they turn into probably just regular jeans for me then. So you could wear them as a crop or just a regular jean. And I just put on my flip-flops I'm wearing today. So not a bad casual outfit. So I'll get a little bit closer so you can see the top. Hopefully the lighting's okay. All right, okay. So this next outfit is the tie front top and the coral shorts, and the neckline on this isn't too bad, so it doesn't come up too high to be uncomfortable for me. I'm not sure I like this tie front though, so it kind of seems to bunch and then hang kind of odd, and I'm not sure how it really even looks. I feel like it's not very flattering. It's not really doing anything that great for me. The shorts are a pretty pop of color. Like, I feel like I just want to get this tie out of the way. But then it just bunches, right? I don't know. All right. The shorts are a pretty color. I do really like them. I think they fit well, and you can see they have some really great stretch to them. I can a little bit see the pockets, which makes me a little bit crazy. And the pockets do stick out a little bit when you walk. You can see that a little bit, which isn't my favorite, but I do really like the color, and I do think they're really soft. So I don't know, what do you guys think of the shorts? Because I'm really not liking this shirt at all. I just put my Carlos sandals on with this. Yeah, I'm not sure. Here's the outfit. All right, we'll get to the dress. Okay, guys, here is the dress. What do you guys think of this? It's very soft. and so much cuter than I was expecting. So of course it does have these ties, the little tassels, which you know isn't my favorite, but I think it's very cute. It's a nice little knit. The bottom little ruffles is not bothering me like I thought it would. I put it on with flats because it's a little bit short, I think. But it's a cute little navy dress. Yeah, I think I like it. Cute for a weekend look, I think. I think it might be too short for work, but I think it's a cute weekend look. Alright, I have one more top. Okay, so the last item is this seafoam green Vince blouse. Has this little pleating in the front. I think it might in the back as well. I'm not sure. It is a little bit longer in the back than it is in the front. It's a little bit big under my arms, but not terrible. If I remember correctly from my last one, I think this might be a little bit pricey. We'll have to see. I think the color is super pretty. I just put it on with shorts that I have on today, so nothing fancy, and flip-flops. So this is more of a casual look, but this could certainly be dressed up. So I think it's very pretty. It's a pretty basic. I'm worried that it might wrinkle. I have a string here too. But it's a nice top for summer. It's cute. The color is really pretty. All right, let's do a wrap up and talk pricing. Okay, so let's talk pricing. All 7 items would be $418. The buy all discount is $83.60 plus my styling fees, $20. So that would be $103 off. So everything would be about $315 if I were to keep everything. And thanks to all of you who have been using my referral link. Thank you so very much. I do have $80 in store credit, so that's awesome. So that would then take it down to $234 if I kept everything. So that would not be bad, but that's thanks to all of you who've used my referral link. So thank you. So let's talk through each of the items individually. So first up is the Beatrice print top in violet floral. That was this one. This is $59. So I didn't think this was bad. I think it's a pretty top. I would have preferred it probably more in fall, and I'm not sure I love the tie front. So I'm thinking this is a no for right now. Next is the mid-rise skinny cup ankle in Fenton by Kensie, and these were $58. Not a bad price point, and I actually did like the cup and that it was a little bit wider at the bottom, but these don't fit me. So these have to go back. I might see if they have them in a smaller size. I just don't know. These are 2. I don't know if going down to a 0 would work. I almost feel like maybe these are just not going to work for me. The Chino short and Teaberry. These are $68. They're by Meritage. Meritage, hopefully I'm saying that right. What did you guys think of these? So I love the pop of color. This would be great for summer. They're relaxed enough. I think the pockets would probably be all right, because I think it's relaxed enough that they would just go back. You know, when you stand, they'd be fine. So these are maybe for me. I'd love to know what you guys think of these shorts. The Sleeveless Rumple V-neck blouse by Vince. That's this one. It's $59. What did you think of this one? I think the color is beautiful. I'm worried about it wrinkling. I feel like I'd be steaming it all the time. It's a maybe for right now. The printed chi top in watercolor floral by Lemon Tart. This is $58. I thought this was super comfortable. It's very casual. I'm not sure where I would wear it other than around the house, and it seems pricey for that. It's definitely better for fall and winter. Like I might wear it over vests or under a vest or under jackets. I'm not sure. I'm thinking probably now. It is the colors are very pretty, but it's, I don't know, it's 3/4 sleeve. And then the tie front top in black gray, this is 48. I'm thinking this is a no. And the dress, this is the Cinched dress in navy by Design History. It's 68. I actually really liked the dress. So I thought the double little stitching down here at the bottom was going to bother me. It didn't. I thought it was very cute. I thought maybe the tassels would drive me crazy. They might, but I still liked it. So I'm thinking this one is a maybe as well. I'm thinking about keeping this. So, what were your favorites? What do you think I should keep? Help me decide. Yeah, help me decide. I don't think I have 5 items to keep here, though, so it doesn't sound like I'm going to get a discount. And if I were to only keep 1 item for the styling fee, then I think I'm leaning towards the dress. Yeah. All right, so what's your favorite item? Help me decide. I would love it, love it, love it if you would hit that like button. I will list all of these items down below in case you want to request any of them from your stylist. I would love you to hang out with us and hit that subscribe button. I will put my link to Wantable down below in case you'd like to give it a try. I have been having some good success lately with my boxes, and I think I have kept 5 items the 2 boxes prior to this one. This one I'm not sure about. I think that conceptually she did a great job. But I'm thinking I'm only going to end up keeping 1 out of this box, I think. So please help me decide and comment below. Until next time, everyone, I hope you have an awesome day. Bye.